Instagram, Facebook. We're out here doing the final training. I have one more month before my trip to Vegas. So doing butt glute training, butt training, gut training. How are you guys doing? Don't be afraid to pick up a piece of trash, man. If you guys are especially if you're working out at the park or you're working out in the country, pick up the trash, man. You look nasty, man. You're getting to your fancy car, but you're stepping over pieces of trash. I just look at you. Don't be like that, man. Make sure get out there for your 5 to 10 minute walk. I have to return the shorts. I need to get the extra large just right up into the butt, so they gotta go. But subscribe. Right now, going for about like a 10-20 minute hike. How you guys doing? You know me, Mark Morris, toiltobetobroke.com. Get out there, get that workout. This is what I'm starting with, and then I'll end up over at that hill over there. But man, subscribe. Let me show you how to turn debt into extra money. There's gonna be a whole lot of broke people. 1,000 people laid off from First Republic. Subscribe. I had a newsletter for you guys. It's my article I wrote back in 1995. It'll help you 1,000 workers get refocused. Because sometimes it takes time to get your job in the field after you've been laid off. I know, I got laid off in 1995. Subscribe. Talk to you about that later. Gotta get up and walk.